One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com, and I watch a lot of stocks. And I've had people ask me, where should I watch stocks, where should I buy stocks, and all this stuff. This is going to be a video about that. These are some stocks I'm watching in one of the portfolios, and I wanted to show you a way to really keep track of them nice, and it's right in Google. If you go to Google up here on More, and you can kind of just click More, and then you go down to Finance, and click Finance. From there, wow, I'm on some kind of, I got to meet Seth Peterson, that was cool. Wow, it's all pictures, and I got to go to that screening. It's pictures from my, I didn't even know I had photos on here. Oh well, that's the new way that Google works. We're gonna go to Finance. I guess I didn't do that somehow. And then over here, you're gonna go to Portfolios, and you probably won't have one. And that's fine. You can set one up. And it's very easy to do. Over here, to create new portfolio. Name of my portfolio. How about my You know, it's really good on these to put like the date. And I like to use Google to like just put stuff in here. And I'll put a couple of the stocks I'm watching. You always want to add transaction data. Just pick today. Pick a number of shares that you think you would usually buy. I don't really know what this stock is at. I'm going to take a guess. I'd probably be close. Let's see. Now also, if you have cash and you wanted to say deposit cash in here, that would be the way to do it if you really want to keep track of things. In fact, we'll go ahead and just say that you wanted to start off with $10,000. How about this? How about $2,000? Okay, now your portfolio has $2,000 cash. Hey now. You want to put, let's say, MJNA in there. You always want to add transaction data. This particular one, I will take 1,000. I'll take 1,300 shares. I'm going to guess the price, like I said, and deduct it from your cash since you've got cash in there, and simply add it to your portfolio. Ah! What'd I do? What'd I do? I did. I got it. I nailed it. And when you're watching these things, you will end up kind of getting an idea for where you are. I'm going to add another one that I've been looking at buying. I'm going to guess this one too. I don't think I'll be able to get too close twice. Let me see here. 10. We're going to buy 23 shares at 13.16. Okay. Oh man, I almost put 13.14. Would have been closer. And look, it's up less. It's down 69 cents today. So I've got a good idea of where the stuff is. And now once you get a couple things in here, see, I've got all these portfolios over here. Like this one we actually bought. Everything in here I've actually bought. That's my percentages up and down. As you can see, some have lost. Now a lot of these are just big gambles. Big gambles. And some of them I knew would do pretty good and have. So SodaStream up 108%. And if you remember, I really gave a good strong rating on that one. And I told you guys when I bought MJNA and I bought Grow Life and Cannabis Sciences and Hemp Inc. that they were very, 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 and I told you on Livewire and I told you on Creative Edge, it's very risky. Monster was not supposed to be as risky, but it basically could have went either way on a couple. United Online, I was really strong on. Sony, I was very strong on, and actually that's the one that's up 108%, not SodaStream. Okay, back to what you're doing here. As you can see, I can easily find my portfolio and get other ones also. Oops, the zoom went out there. So I've only got 2 of them in there. That's fine. They'll start giving you news down here for them, and you can kind of keep track. Why is it cool to keep track like this? Well, I'm going to go to bot, or just my portfolio, excuse me. All these I've been watching, and I've been watching them a long time. Over here I can tell all this pertinent information. Now I got some that have made a lot, like, what's this? 302%. I should have got that, man. 1337 would be worth 5,300. And that's SunPower. It just went through the roof. I think that's Elon Musk's other company. Just an amazing stock. Amazing. This one here I was going to buy. I don't think I did. I think I set an order for it, Nuvalex, and it did not take by the end of the day. I think I screwed up, and I didn't get a stock that went up a lot. Yeah. $0.04 to 13.5. 2.7. And you can see right there, it'll tell you as you move your scroll, you can see the numbers change and the date. So lots of research. I like Google for research. Once it gets down to it though, I'm always going to end up over in my E-Trade, Ameritrade, or Wells Trade. And I can personally vouch for E-Trade. I like E-Trade. I think E-Trade's pretty awesome. And you can track your performance of actual things. They're also going to show your allocation or whatever. As you can see, I got a lot of small and mid cap, but I got a lot of large cap. I kind of split it between them. I've got a little bit of international exposure. I wish I had more. I got some crap in there probably. They don't even know what I got. They're like, what the heck is this guy buying? You can see all kinds of stuff from this main page, but we'll just view from the portfolio at some point here. And E-Trade, I guess I'd recommend them, especially if you're buying some penny stocks and stuff. It's a lot easier to buy from them. Cheaper, I guess you should say. Now, Dex Media is an up and down thing. I own a lot of stock in them. What are we at? I didn't really buy 374 shares. They reverse split merged with Supermedia. I had a lot more shares than that, but as you can see, they've got me averaged in at $0.25 a share, which is right. I'm up 3,584% on that stock. It's worth $3,500 off of a little bit. Why off of a little bit like that? Well, I bought them very cheap, and there's a couple in here that I need to change to add things, but I bought this big chunk here so cheap it's pitiful. And well, it's Dex Media, it's your phone book people. So cool stock. I came in here though to make a buy. FITX. How much do I believe in this company? I don't know. I'm not really up 51.9%. We're buying. And we're buying 380,000 shares, let's say. At limit. All or none. They're asking 1.3, they're at 1.1. Now, not even 1, we're talking a tenth of a tenth or whatever. 0.0011 is what it's at. 1.3 is what they want. We're going 1.2. Good for the day. 380. It's probably going to put us at like 430 bucks or something. 420. 463. And as you can see, it's $7.99 here to trade, and this is even in penny stocks. It's absolutely cheap. I can't trade penny stocks on Wells Trade. Wells Trade gives me free trades, however, but they've got to be a little bit better than this. They won't let you do stocks under $1 or $2. I think it's $2 actually. Anyways, I like this stock, and I'm going to place this limit order. You didn't see that, did you? Your standard market order has been placed. Boom, done. Okay, now FITX was one of them I was buying here in this thing. And I figured I'd just buy it for the heck of it and show you what we're doing. That's the deal. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Make sure and check out my channel here on YouTube. You can subscribe, comment, like, all that. StockGambles is my stock channel. Cereal Marshmallows is my main channel. And I kind of mix the videos between them. Hope you enjoy and hope you get an E-Trade account. Now also, so you know, I put some of the people in my business, the employees, some of them got on this one. No account minimum. They say they have a cheaper trade. Some things you can't buy, but you also can sign up and you get like a share builder thing to where you can buy like $10 or $30 worth of Google versus having to pay $800 a share or something. Very neat way in, very low amounts to get in. And, you know, don't make the excuse, I can't afford to do this, or I can't this, or I can't that. Yes, you can. It's not hard. Skip the Starbucks. It doesn't matter what you send, even if it's just a little bits. Get even a, there's no shame in your game either. Call your bank, fill out the forms. You can actually direct deposit, like wire them without a charge. You can make a payment every month, automatic withdrawal, there you go. For anything you want. You could do $5 a month if you want, seriously. But I know you can afford more than like a Subway meal to invest in your retirement and your future. So definitely check out these sites and try adding some money to it. Just make it something you forget about and start watching them in Google to where you know exactly what you're going to buy, and you can kind of get a track record for them built. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Kenny Street Rodder Miller, I think it's Street Rodder 100 or something on Facebook and YouTube. Check his stuff out. Kenny, you're the guy that asked, one of the guys that asked me. I say one of because I got a few messages, but I remembered yours because I probably knew you the best out of them. And you asked me, man, I'd really like to get into this, but I just don't know how to start. Honestly, E-Trade or Share Builder, either way, it just depends on how you're going to buy. And maybe I'll do some more videos on that. But Share Builder is a great choice, very cheap. You know the main thing? Start an account, get an account, and start putting the money to them. Even if you just give them $100 to start or something, and $20 a month or something. Whatever it is you can afford, add a little bit to that and do it to it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Share, comment, like, subscribe. OneOwnerCarGuy.com, StockGambles.com, and BeaglesPocket.com. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.